Okay, so guys, now let's start with the powerful revision of the chapter indices. Guys, shall we start? Everybody, guys, shall we start, guys? Are you all here? Okay. Now, guys, we have to revise this chapter. Guys, we are going to discuss from the concept handbook. Guys, once we are done with the concept handbook, guys, here I have designed the chart. See, guys, here we will discuss the basic level questions which are based on the properties. Guys, in the basic level 2, we will discuss the questions which are based on the miscellaneous notes. Guys, then the frequently asked question, guys, these three categories. Guys, these three category questions. Guys, these three questions are very frequently asked in the exam. This makes the paper little lengthy and little bit guys tricky. So we will discuss all these three variations from this chart. And guys, that will be the end of the chapter indices. So guys, now let's start. Guys, in indices chapter, guys, first of all, let's start with the definition, guys. Basic property, laws, useful fact, and miscellaneous concepts, guys. Very small and very easy chapter, and at the same time, guys, the weightage is also of 3 to 4 marks, sometimes 2 marks. But yes, bare minimum, guys, from the ratio proportion indices, you can fetch 5 marks. So at the same time, it is easy. It gives you more weightage. So it's definitely important that you give a good amount of coverage on this chapter. Guys, now let's start with this. Guys, definition. Guys, in definition, guys, sir, whenever, for example, sir, we want to write this. Sir, we want to write this. Guys, in the morning, I think we have a GOAT revision, intensive care, not GOAT revision. In there, we have covered ratio proportion. Now we are covering the indices. Okay, I'll discuss with the management, guys. Now, please come to this point. Guys, for example, if we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Guys, can I write like this? 2 raised to the power 4. Yes, 2 raised to the power 4. Guys, this is known as indices. Guys, whenever we represent anything in the form of a raised to the power m, guys, this is known as Endickel equation. Guys, we have two kind of presentation. One is the Endickel presentation, and guys, one is, guys, logarithmic presentation. Whenever we are writing anything in the form of a into a, it's better to write a raised to the power n is equals to m. This presentation is known as indices. This presentation is known as, guys, Endickel equation. So guys, now please come to this point. Sir, whenever we express anything in the form of a raised to the power n is equals to m, guys, this is known as indices. Guys, where this is known as base, this is known as power, and guys, this is known as value. Guys, any doubt on this? Guys, since this is a super powerful revision, guys, I'm going to increase little a bit speed. But guys, yes, we are going to cover all the variations of the problem. Guys, now please pay attention, everybody, guys. Now please pay attention. Guys, now let's start with the basics property of the indices. Sir, in indices, the first property says if the base are same, and there is a multiplication sign between them, then the power will add. If there is a division sign between them, if the base are same and there is a division sign between them, guys, the power will add. Sorry, guys, the power will subtract. Guys, now many students get confused in these two properties. Guys, see, first of all, please understand this. If there is a multiplication sign between them, then the power will add. If there is a division sign between them, power will subtract. Guys, power. Sometimes students get confused. So 2 raised to the power 2, power 3. What will happen to this power? Is it like this 2 raised to the power 2, power 3? No, guys. Powers are, guys, they multiply. 2 raised to the power 2 into 3. Guys, for example, there is already one power 3. Now I ask you take power 2. Don't make the power 2 as power of 3, guys. Power will come in the place of power. There is already one power 3. One more power will come. So guys, powers are multiply among themselves. So guys, if you have a raised to the power m raised to the power n, guys, the powers will multiply. Sir, what if we have negative, guys? Negative means reciprocal. Guys, nothing is written over here. It means 1 is written over here. Guys, whenever you take the reciprocal, guys, the sign of power will change. A raised to the power n will be 1 upon a raised to the power n. Whenever you take the reciprocals, guys, the sign of power will change. Guys, now can you tell me, Aman sir, how many properties are written over here? Guys, how many properties are written over here? Guys, I'm asking you, guys, how many properties are written over here? How many properties are written over here? Everybody, guys, fast reply fast. How many properties are written over here? sir, there are 4 properties. No guys, there are in total there are 8 properties. Guys, we used to revise the property in this way, we used to study the property in this way, guys, but it is not property 4. There are total 8 properties, but you have to retain the property reverse way also. You have to retain the property reverse way also. So guys, there are 4 plus 4 properties. Now see guys, now please pay attention guys. Now students get confused later on. Guys, can you tell me what will happen? 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 2. Guys, anyone guys, what will be the, what will happen? Okay, what will happen over here? What will happen over here? 2 raised to the power, guys, replying first, what will happen? 2 raised to the power, guys, can I write like this, 2 raised to the power 5? The answer is no, no, no. Guys, see, the property exists when there is a multiple base and between them the same base there is a multiplication sign, then the power will add, and if there is a divide sign, then the property will exist. But if there is any other sign other than multiplication and division, if there is any other sign, guys, there is no property. This is wrong, guys, this is wrong. So the what happens, institute knows that student will study this 2 property but not with good concept, guys. So they manipulate you with the small concepts, guys. Now let's guys complete this. Now see guys, now please pay attention. Sir, what you mean to say? Guys, whenever we are applying the property between multiple base, whenever we are applying the property between multiple base, okay, then there will be multiply sign, the property will exist, guys. Property will apply only if there is a multiply or a divide sign between them. See guys, if there is a multiply sign, yes, power will add. But if there is any plus sign other than multiply divide, if there is any other sign, I will say answer will come, but not from the property. I will say there is no property. As my answer will be there is no property. If there is a multiplication sign and division sign, then only the property will exist. Guys, now if they ask the property reverse way, guys, if I ask you the property reverse way, if there is any single base and you want to split it back into multiple base, the property will exist only if there is plus and minus sign. If there is any other sign, the property will not exist. For example, guys, what will happen? 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 2 raised to the power 2. Multiple base are same and they have multiply sign. So guys, power will add. So guys, and if you want to split it back, guys, it will split back to 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 2 raised to the power 2. If you want to split any single indices, single base into multiple base, they will split. Guys, whenever you want to split single base into multiple base, they will split only if there is a plus or minus between the power. Guys, only if there is a plus or minus between the powers. Guys, see guys, if there is plus, yes, they will split. But if there is any multiplication sign, if there is plus, they will split. If there is minus, they will split in division. But if there is any other sign, guys, no property. I will say no property. If there is plus, yes, they will split. If there is minus, yes, they will split. But yes, if there is any other sign between the single base power, I will say no property. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear? Guys, don't study, guys. Just don't read up this, guys. Understand when to apply and how to apply. Guys, if you are applying the property between multiple base, there is a multiply sign, power will add. There is a divide sign, power will subtract. Guys, if there is any other sign, I will say no property. Guys, if you are applying the property in the single base, they will split back into multiple base. If there is a plus, they will come into divide. If there is minus, they will come into divide. If there is plus, they will come into multiplication. Guys, is this 2 property clear? Guys, you students usually get confused over here. Now, I hope you will not get confused. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, I'm waiting for a reply. Is this point clear to all of you guys? Okay. Guys, now let's start with the basics property practice, guys. Basic level 1. Guys, everybody, guys, question number 1. Guys, question number 1, we are starting now. Question number 1. Guys, 4 raised to the power x raised to the power minus 1 by 4. Guys, minus 1 by 4 means reciprocal. Guys, can I write 4 into 1 upon x raised to the power 1 by 4? Whenever you take reciprocal, the sign of power will change. Guys, this is the same. A raised to the power n means 1 upon a raised to the power n. Guys, multiply 4 into 1, 4 upon x raised to the power 1 by 4. So guys, the correct answer is 4 upon x raised to the power 1 by 4. Guys, option C is the right answer. Guys, Option C is the right answer. Guys, now let's look at this. What is 8 raised to the power 1 by 3? Guys, answer me fast. What is 8 raised to the power 1 by 3? Sir, this is, you can simply write 2 cube. Already there is power. Can I say powers multiply? Already there is one power 1 by 3. So powers multiply among themselves. 3 will cancel and the remaining answer is, guys, 2. Option C is the right answer. Guys, option C is the right answer. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, now please come to one basics, guys. Everyone have to write. See, guys, if there is any common power between numerator and denominator, you can make the whole power. And if there is any whole power, this power you can split it back to m and n. Guys, please understand. If you have a upon b whole power n, guys, please understand. This means this is power of a also, this is power of b also. You can write like this. Guys, any doubt on this? Guys, any doubt on this? Guys, any doubt on this? No. Now, if you have power like this, guys, if there is a multiplication and you have power, it means this is power of a raised to the power n multiply by b raised to the power n. In multiplication and division, guys, you can simply put the power to a and b, power to a and b. In case of addition and subtraction, you cannot say like this. You cannot say like this. There comes something extra. Sometimes here comes 2ab, sometimes here comes minus 2ab. So guys, in case of multiplication and division, you can simply allot the powers to both the variables. But in case of addition, subtraction, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Something extra will come. But this something extra will not come in case of multiplication and division. So you can do this, guys, allotment. You can do this allotment. Guys, I hope this point is clear, all of you. Now, guys, let's start with the question number, guys. Now, let's start with the question number 3. Guys, 81 x raised to the power 4 upon y raised to the power minus 8 whole power 1 by 4. Whole power, guys, 1 by 4. Guys, can I simply say this power 1 by 4 belongs to the numerator also and denominator also? Guys, everybody, guys, please try. Guys, can I allot like this? So this is power of numerator also. Sir, this is power of denominator also. Guys, now this 1 by 4 is not power of only x. This 1 by 4 is power of 81 also and x also. In multiplication, guys, this is power of 81 also and x raised to the power 4 also. So guys, can I say 81 raised to the power 1 by 4 multiply by x raised to the power 4 having power 1 by 4? Now, guys, 2, this is y minus 2. Guys, can 81 raised to the power 1 by 4? 1 by 4 means under root 2 times. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power. Under root, guys. You will get over here, guys, 3. Y raised to the power x will cancel, guys. Power will cancel. And guys, here you will have x upon y raised to the power minus 2. Whenever you take the reciprocal of any variable, the sign of power will change. 3xy square. Negative power will be, guys, converted into positive power. So guys, the correct answer is 3xy square. 3xy square. Guys, the answer is none of these. Mark answer, guys, 3xy square. Guys, I am giving you time. All of you guys, please try it once. Guys, I request all of you guys, please try it once. Guys, everybody, guys, please try. Everybody, guys, please try. Please try, guys. Guys, done? Everybody, guys, done? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Guys, see, this basic level 1, we are just discussing the basics, guys, basic properties of the indices. Guys, in basic level 2, guys, little bit level will increase. And guys, in this, guys, full level will increase, guys. We are discussing the basic level, guys. Please, everybody, guys, please solve question number 4. Guys, all of you guys, please solve question number 4. Guys, what is question number 4? 243 upon 32 raised to the power minus 4 upon 5. Minus 4 upon 5. Guys, please solve. What does this mean, guys? This is power of 243 also, and this is power of 32 also. Or you can do like this, guys. What is 343? Let's check, guys. Just a second. Guys, let's check this. Guys, let's check this. Guys, can I say 3 into 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Guys, can I say that, sir, this is 3 raised to the power 5? Yes. And everybody knows, guys, 32 means, guys, 2 raised to the power 5. Already there is power, guys, minus 4 upon 5. Now what will happen, guys? If we have the both have the same power, can we write as a whole power 3 upon 2 whole power 5? Already there is power minus 4 upon 5. Guys, 5 will cancel. What will happen? 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4. Guys, negative power. Guys, negative power means reciprocal. Sir, I will take the reciprocal of this. Whenever you take the reciprocal, guys, the sign of power will change. Negative power will be converted into positive power. Guys, can I say this is 2 raised to the power 4, 16? Guys, 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. So, guys, the correct answer is 16 upon 81. That is option B is the right answer. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, I'm waiting for your reply. Guys, I'm waiting for your reply. Guys, I'm waiting for your reply. We are just discussing the basics level, guys. Basics property. How to apply the power. What do you mean by negative? How to deal with this question? Many students don't practice this question, guys. They directly see this question in the exam and they do some silly mistake and they get lose their marks. Guys, now a very good question. Question number 5. Guys, all of you with me, guys. 9 raised to the power 9 raised to the power x plus 3 is equals to 27 raised to the power x minus 1. 27 raised to the power x minus 1. Guys, I will just tell you one concept, guys. If here you have only one indices and here also you have one indices, you can solve this question only by making them look alike. Only by making them look alike. Look alike means, guys, try to make their base same, either try to make their power same. Now here the powers are having variable. I cannot make the power same. But guys, can you make their base same? Yes, sir, we can make the base same. Sir, this is 3 square. 3 square. Already there is a power, guys. So power will multiply. Guys, can I say this is 3 cube? Yes, sir, you can say 3 cube. Already there is power x minus 1. Guys, if the base are same, guys, if the base are same, then the power must be same. Then only this equal to sign will justify. Guys, if the base are same, you can do like this, but guys, this is wrong. You should not never say like this. You must say, if by comparison technique, you must say, if the base are same, then the power must be same. And guys, from here we can have the value of x. Let's open the bracket. 2x plus 6, 3x minus 3. Guys, 6 plus 3, 3x minus 2x, guys, x will be, guys, 9. Guys, x will be 9. Option C is the right answer. Guys, option C is the right answer. Guys, can I move forward? Guys, a very good question waiting for you. Question number 6. Guys, question number 6. Guys, 25 raised to the power 7.5 multiply by, guys, 5 raised to the power 2.5 whole divided by 125 raised to the power, guys, 1.5 is equals to 5 raised to the power x. Find the value of x. Guys, I want all of you to please try. Guys, I want all of you to please try. A very good question. Guys, you have the one indices on the LHS, one indices on the RHS. Try to make the base same. Guys, try to make the base same. Guys, everybody, guys, please try to make the base same. I'm really waiting for your reply. Please try to make the base same. Please try to make the base same. Guys, try to make the base same. all the indices, all the base can be made to 5, guys. Please try, guys. I'm really expecting the answers from you guys. Sir, can you write this 5 square? Yes, sir. Already there is power 7.5. So guys, what will happen? Powers will multiply. Sir, when you will write this 5 square, already there is power 7.5. So multiply, guys. 2 multiply by 7.5. Sir, here we will get 15 multiply by 5 raised to the power 2.5 divided by, guys, this is 5 cube, guys. This is 5 cube. Sir, we can write this 5 cube, but guys, powers will multiply. 3 multiply by 1.5. Here, guys, you will get 5 raised to the power 4.5 is equals to 5 raised to the power x. In indices, guys, if the base are same, powers add, and if the base are same in division, powers subtract. So guys, these two powers will add 15 plus 2.5, and this will, guys, subtract. Guys, what will happen? 15 plus 2.5 minus 4.5. Guys, how much? 5 raised to the power 13 is equal to, guys, 5 raised to the power x. Guys, if the base are same, guys, if the base are same, then the power must be same. By comparison technique, I will say, guys, x is equals to 13. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, now I request all of you, please solve question number 7. Guys, fast. Please solve question number 7, guys. Then we have to increase our level of the practice. 8 upon 27 raised to the power 1 upon 3. Guys, can you see 8 is also 2 cube and 727 also 3 cube. Can I write like this? 2 upon 3 whole cube. Yes, Aman sir, you can write. But guys, there is already one power. Powers multiply. Guys, open the bracket, guys. 2 by 3 is the right answer. Yes, absolutely correct, Rohini. Sai, absolutely correct answer. So guys, option 2 by 3, guys. 2 by 3 or 2 by 3, guys. Option A, 2 by 3 is the right answer. Guys, please solve question number 8. Guys, please solve question number 8. Guys, please solve question number 8. Guys, question number 8. So 2 multiply by 256 raised to the power minus 1 upon 8. Guys, please solve. Sir, this is to leave it 2. Sir, 256 means, guys, let's check. 256 means 256. Let's check what 2 power will give us 256. 2 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can I say 2 raised to the power 8 will give me 256? Guys, can I say 2 raised to the power 8 will give me 256? Already there is one power, minus 1 upon 8. 8 will cancel, guys. You now have 2 raised to the power minus 1. Guys, minus power means reciprocal. So I will say this is 2 and this is, guys, 1 upon 2. Whenever you take the reciprocal, sign of power will change. Guys, 2 will cancel and the answer will be, guys, 1, and answer will be 1. Guys, is this point clear? Is this point clear? Guys, any doubt on this? Can I move forward, guys? Very easy question. Guys, here you can see in a division, guys, if the base are same, power will subtract, guys. 150 minus 146, 10 raised to the power 4, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, 4 times 0. Option B is the right answer. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, is this point clear, all of you? Guys, here we are done with the revision of, guys, our basic properties, and we are done with the enough practice of this basic properties. Guys, I have taken the questions where we have, in all the questions, almost all the properties were applied, and guys, we are done with the practice of this basics. Guys, can I move forward, everybody? Guys, can I move forward? Guys, very easy chapter we are revising now. Sir, before we start with the basic level 2, guys, let's start with one good question. Question number 10. Guys, question number 10. After this question, guys, I will make you revise some important miscellaneous questions, guys, miscellaneous notes. Then we will cover this, guys. All the questions are very important. Guys, all the questions are really very important. Guys, please start with, guys, I am not asking the value of x. I am asking the value of x raised to the power x. Guys, I am asking the value of x raised to the power x. Guys, what is the question? Very good question. You can mark this question as LDR, last day revision question. Question number 10. Two raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x minus 1 is equals to 4. Guys, please try. Guys, now what will happen, guys? See over here, 2 raised to the power x minus. Guys, now please pay attention. If in a single base, if there is a plus, it will split it to multiple place. And guys, if there is minus, then also it will split back into multiple base. So guys, can I write 2 raised to the power x upon 2 raised to the power 1? Guys, please understand. Guys, this is the reverse property that no one practice. Guys, in a single base, if there is a plus, it will split into multiplication, and if there is a minus, if there is a minus, guys, it will split back into multiple base of division. So guys, since there is a minus, I can split into, guys, a division. Now is equals to 4. Absolutely correct answer. Guys, I will help you out how to deal with option 2 question. You are not bound to follow this method. Still, guys, I want all of you to please practice. 2 raised to the power x will be common. 1 minus, guys, 1 upon 2. Guys, I have taken, guys, 2 raised to the power x common. Guys, here only 1 will be left. Here, guys, this is common. 1 will be left. 1 upon 2. Guys, is equals to 4. Let's solve this, guys. 2 minus 1. Guys, 1 upon 2 is equals to 4. So, guys, this is 2 raised to the power x. Guys, this 2 will go over there, 8. Guys, 1 indices. Let's try to make the base same. 2 raised to the power cube. If you compare, guys, base and value, guys, base are same. By comparison technique, I can say x must be equals to 3. But they are not asking x. They are asking x raised to the power x. 3 raised to the power 3, guys. 27 is the right answer. 27 is the right answer. That is option A. Guys, sir, in exam, how we should deal with this? Since they are asking x raised to the power x, options are not having the value of x. Options are having the value of x raised to the power x. So guys, let's convert this into x raised to the power x. Let's convert this, guys. 2 raised to the power, guys, 2. Guys, 256, guys. This is, guys, 16. No, guys, this is not a perfect square. Guys, this is 1 raised to the power 1. Guys, now let's check for this, guys. Just a second. Sorry, guys. This is 16. No, guys, this will not happen. This is 16 square. Not a perfect square of anyone. Guys, now please check. Now please check, guys. If I go from option 8, option 2 question, what value I will put, guys? This is x raised to the power x. So, guys, what is x? According to option A, value of x is 3. Now, let's put 3 over here, guys. If you put 2 raised to the 3, guys, 2 cube minus 2 raised to the 3 minus 1, 2. Let's check whether are you getting LHS equals to RHS or not. Guys, what is 2 cube? 8. What is 2 square, guys? 4. 8 minus 4, guys. This option give me LHS equals to RHS. So, guys, this option will be correct. In exam, guys, don't follow the method. Go from option to question. Put the value of x from the option that will give you LHS equals to RHS. That option will be correct. Rest all the options will be wrong. Guys, please acknowledge me back. Is this point clear to all of you or not? Guys, please acknowledge back. Is this point clear to all of you or not? Aditya, Shubha, Rohini, Akash, everybody, guys. Dinesh, absolutely correct. Guys, now let's start with guys, we are bound to discuss the miscellaneous notes. Guys, now let's come to towards the discussion. See, guys, come to this point, guys. Here, guys, power n means nth root. So, guys, this will be power 1 upon n. If you have nothing, guys, this is known as square root. This is 2 raised to the power 1 by 2. But, guys, inside this, if I write like this, this is 3 and here it is 2. It means, guys, this 3 is the cube root. This is, guys, 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. So, whatever is power is written inside that square root button, guys, square root, guys, that is the reciprocal power of the base. That is the reciprocal power of the known as, guys, nth root. Guys, here already there is power p. If you will remove this under root button, guys, this will be power 1 upon n. since both are power, so powers will multiply and it will be guys a raised to the power p upon n. Anything having power 0 is equals to 1. Anything power 1 will make no change, guys. Whenever you change the sign of the power, guys, whenever you change the sign of the power, guys, base numerator and denominator will guys reciprocal. Whenever we change the sign of the power, guys, the base will reciprocal itself. Here the base is a by b. I change the power sign with minus, so guys it will b upon a. Whenever we change the sign of the power, that the base will reciprocal itself. If it is 2, it will be 1 by 2. If it is 2 by 3, it will be 3 by 2. Guys, now here come the two superb advanced shortcuts, guys. Now please pay attention, everybody, guys. If guys this a under root a goes till infinite, the outcome for this answer will be guys a only. Answer will be a only. But guys, if under root a, this continue for a number of times, for example 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, guys, how to deal with this? A raised to the power, guys, a raised to the power 2 raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n. Guys, what is this? N number of times it repeats, guys. For example, under root 5, what is a? 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power n. How many times the under root 5 repeats? 3 times. 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. Guys, solve it and get the answer. So guys, what is the shortcut? A raised to the power 2 raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n. Guys, now let's look at the question on this. Guys, we have to solve this. Now let's try. Guys, please pay attention. Under root of x cube, under root of x cube, under root of x cube. Guys, what is the shortcut? A raised to the power 2 raised to the power n minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power n. Guys, what is a? A is x cube. Now power 2 raised to the power n. How many times it is repeating? 3 times. Guys, x cube multiply by, guys, powers multiply. 2 raised to the power 3, 8. 8 minus 1, guys, 7 upon, what is 2 raised to the 3, guys? 8. So guys, x raised to the power 21 upon 8. So guys, the correct answer is x raised to the power 21 upon 8. Option C is the right answer. Guys, option C is the right answer. Guys, you should have these shortcuts. If you don't have these shortcuts, guys, you cannot perform with a good speed. This is mandatory requirement. If anyone wants to write this shortcut, guys, I'm giving you time. Please write down. Guys, please write down. Guys, done? Guys, once done with writing, please inform me. Guys, once done with writing, please inform me. Guys, can I move forward? Everybody, guys, done with writing part? Can I move forward? Guys, I'm waiting for your reply, guys. Too many shortcuts are waiting. No, sir. Write down fast. Okay. Now, guys, moving towards the next shortcut. Guys, wait, before we move towards that part, guys, now please, guys, this is the exam question, guys. These are the exam questions. These 4 are the, guys, very challenging and very good questions. I will tell you that, teach you the shortcut, then we'll cover that. But before that, guys, a very easy question is waiting for you. Let's discuss this part, guys. Let's discuss this part. Guys, can you tell me what is a plus b multiplied by, guys, a minus b? Guys, we have studied in morning also, guys, in ratio proportion. Guys, what is a plus b multiplied by a minus b? See guys, first of all understand intensive care and GOAT revision guys. I cannot differentiate them at max at a level guys. Due to this intensive care batch guys, I am able to take some more chapters, but whether it is GOAT revision or intensive care batch guys, we are trying to cover as much as marks as we can. If this intensive care batch is not planned guys, I won't be able to take this. Okay, due to this intensive care batch guys, I'm able to take some extra chapters. So guys, please don't get confused in this. At then our motive is same guys, that we have to crack our September 2024. So guys, sir, can we show answer for 11 guys? This is the answer for 11. 11 na? Yes guys, this is the answer for 11. Write down fast. Aditya, I think the management will inform you regarding that. Let me cover this part fast. Okay, because guys, we are having limited time. Okay, now guys, sir, this is a plus b into a minus b is guys a square minus b square. Guys, this is a square minus b square. Now guys, please pay attention. Everybody guys, now please pay attention. Consider this is a. Consider this is a. This entire is a and this entire is b. Difference of power. The power is here plus, here power is minus. So guys, this is a plus b. Same thing, a minus b. Guys, look very carefully guys. So this is a plus b, and look at this bracket. Same thing, a minus b. Guys, what is a plus b into a minus b? Sir, this is a square. Sir, this is a square minus b square. When you will take the square of this, already power is 1 by 8. You take the power guys, already there is power. Guys, I will explain you over here. Already there is power 1 by 8. When you will take the square, this power will cancel guys, 1 by 4. So guys, what is a square? Sir, a square minus b square. Already power 1 by 8, 1 more power 2. Powers will multiply. 1 by minus 1 by 8 into 2. 2 will cancel that. X raised to the power minus 1 by 4. Guys, applying the property in this 2, can I say this will be reduced to a square minus b square? Yes. Now let's continue the second other brackets. Sorry guys, by mistake I have written here x. It is a. Guys, now let's continue the other brackets guys. A raised to the power 1 by 4 plus a raised to the power minus 1 by 4. A raised to the power 1 by 2 plus a raised to the power minus 1 by 2. Guys, now please look at this. Now please look at this guys. A minus b. Same thing guys. A plus b. Guys, if you look at this two bracket, a minus b into bracket a plus b. Guys, can I say this is a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. When you take the square of this 2 will cancel guys. You will have a square minus, guys, when you take the square of this guys, 2 will cancel, minus b square. Guys, this 2 bracket is reduced to 1 bracket. Now we have remaining only 1 bracket. Look at this very carefully guys. A minus b into guys a plus b. Guys, a square, you take the square of this guys, 1 by 2 will be eliminated. 1 by 2 into 2, 2 will cancel. A square minus b square. B square means guys, minus 1 by 2 multiply by 2, 2 will cancel. Again, minus 1 will be left only. Guys, this is the answer. But guys, they have represented their answer like this. Reciprocal guys. This can also be the answer. Even guys, they can solve it further. A square minus 1 upon a. They can give this also as an answer. Now let's check what is the option guys. A minus 1 upon a. Guys, a minus 1 upon a. Guys, a minus 1 upon a. Guys, C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Aditi. Adi, sorry. Dinesh, absolutely correct guys. Very well done. Very well done guys. Can I move forward guys? Now very important miscellaneous note is waiting for you. Last day revision note guys. Can we start? Guys, you have to pay attention guys. Without this note, I cannot teach you the topic that we are going to discuss now. Guys, shall we start now? Guys, are you all here? Guys, can I start this revision? Yes. Now see guys. Whenever guys, if guys, please see what happens guys. Many students do one thing, that they try to go with the traditional methods. Then they plan that I will apply the same method in the exam. Guys, we sometimes guys, when the things are fixed, they cannot be changed at very big level. You have to carry the direct resultants for your exam. Like this question. If I give you x is equals to, guys, please understand, a minus, if I give you minus between them, a raised to the power 1 by 3 minus a raised to the power minus 1 by 3. If I give you this, I will, if I give minus between them, I will always ask x cube plus 3x, because I cannot ask anything else. If I give minus between them, x is equals to this much I give you, I will, question will always demand x cube plus 3x. We can calculate x cube plus 3x, and this will be equals to a minus 1 upon a. This will be equals to, guys, a minus 1 upon a at the end. A minus 1 upon a. Sir, what if they give you x is equals to plus? If I give you plus, I can demand x cube minus 3x. If I give you minus, I can expect x cube plus 3x. If I give you plus, I can expect x cube minus 3x. And this will be equals to a plus 1 upon a. This will be equals to a plus 1 upon a. Guys, please understand. Please, guys, with me. Guys, if I give you like this, x is equals to 3 raised to the power 1 by 3 minus 3 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. What we can calculate? X cube minus 3x, or we can calculate x cube plus 3x. If I give minus between them, Aman sir, we can calculate x cube plus 3x. We can calculate x cube plus 3x, and that will be equals to a minus 1 upon a, and that will be, guys, a minus 1 upon a. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, sir, but if I give you like this, x, guys, what I can ask from you, guys, what I can, just a second, guys, what I can ask from you, I can ask you this time, if I give you plus, I will be expecting, guys, x cube minus 3x, and that will be, guys, 3 plus 1 upon 3. Guys, is this point clear? If I give you minus, you can calculate x cube plus 3x. If I give you plus, you can calculate x cube minus 3x. And what will be that, guys? A minus 1 upon, and here it will be, guys, a plus 1 upon a. Guys, is this point clear, guys? Can you retain this shortcut, guys? Can you retain this shortcut? I request all of you, guys. We are going to have the question on this, but before that, guys, make me sure that yes, we can retain this, guys. I want answer from all of you, guys. Will you retain this, guys? Now we are going to have a practical question on this. Guys, can I move forward? Rohini, Adi, Dinesh, Aditya, Kalidas, everybody, guys. Yes. Now please look at this question. Now, guys, please look at this question. Question number 13. Guys, I have given you x is equals to p raised to the power 1 by 3 minus p raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Without looking at the option, guys, can you tell me what you can calculate? X cube minus 3x, or you can calculate x cube plus 3x. If I have given you minus, what you can calculate? Guys, I'm expecting the answer from you. X cube minus 3x, or you can calculate x cube plus 3x. Can you tell me, guys? Sir, if you have given minus, you can calculate x cube plus 3x. And yes, x cube plus 3x. Very good. Plus 3x. Plus 3x. Everyone is saying plus 3x. And that will be equals to p minus 1 upon p only. Guys, let's check the option. X cube plus 3x, p minus 1 upon p. Guys, option B is the right answer. But guys, this was the easy question. I know that everyone will solve this. One good question is waiting for you. Superb question, guys. Inspired from previous year question, LDR. Guys, I'll write the question for you. Guys, x is equals to 3 raised to the power 1 upon 3 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3. Guys, can you tell me what I can ask? What you can calculate? This time I have given you plus. You can calculate plus 3x, or you can calculate minus 3x. Guys, in short, just answer me in short, guys. What you can calculate? Sir, plus. Minus. Correct. Minus. Sir, we can calculate x cube minus 3x. And what will be that? What will be x cube minus 3x? Sir, it will be a plus 1 upon a. What is a? 3. 3 plus 1 upon 3. Guys, let's solve it, guys. Take the LCM, 3 cross multiply 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, guys, 10 by 3. So x cube plus 3x is 10 by 3. But guys, the twist is, I am not asking x cube plus 3x. I am asking, guys, 3x cube minus, sorry guys, here by mistake I have written this, minus 9x. And guys, what you have calculated? You have calculated x cube minus 3x. Guys, don't you think I am asking something else? Sir, if you take 3 common from here, what you are demanding? What will be left? X cube minus 3x. And guys, have you already calculated x cube minus 3x? Yes, sir. 3 I will put over here. 3 will cancel and the answer will be, guys, 10. Yes, guys. Once you take the 3 common, you will reach at the same situation what you can calculate. Guys, they will do the manipulation. Whatever you can calculate it, keep it. Now look what they are demanding. Put the value and get the answer. Superb question planted by the module, guys. Superb question planted by the ICAI. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you, guys? Can I move forward? Guys, we are done with the, see guys, almost we are done with the chapter, guys. That's the beauty of the concept handbook and chart book. This chart book I designed specifically for the revision. One day before exam, this much done, everything is done. Guys, selected plus all the variations covered. Guys, can I move forward? Okay. Now, guys, now, are you all here, guys? Now, please pay attention. Everybody, guys, please pay attention. Now, guys, I have seen students struggling to deal with this kind of questions. I've seen the students are struggling. I don't know why, but they struggle to get this kind of question solved. Guys, you have to solve these questions in the calculator. Guys, hold your calculator with me, guys. Hold your calculator. Now, let's start with me. What I am demanding? Sir, I am asking you the value of x plus 1 upon x. Let's solve x. Whenever you start solving this, guys, you have to take 3 under root. Start from the inside under root, guys. 3 under root. Done with this, multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. Plus. Done with this, plus 7. Do, guys, plus 7. Guys, this is x. No, sir, we are done with this. Now you have to take under root. Press under root. Guys, you must be having 3.73 something. Guys, we have calculated x. Now do one thing. Press m plus. Press m plus. M plus. Now, guys, what you need to do? Sir, I need to calculate 1 upon x. How to calculate 1 upon x? 1 divided by. You want to divide it from x. Where you have stored x in the memory. MRC button 1 time. Don't press 2 times. Otherwise, memory will erase. 1 divided by MRC equals to. Now you have calculated this also. Again, I want to add. Press M plus. I want total of everything. Do you have any button? MRC. 3.9999, guys. 3.9999. Guys, option A is the right answer. So, guys, if they ask this kind of question, guys, don't be, guys, puzzled. Just, guys, get the answers in the calculator and you can get rid of these questions. Guys, is this point clear? Guys, everybody, guys, is this point clear, all of you? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Yes. Now, guys, look at this question. Guys, one miscellaneous note is pending. Let's revise that. Guys, see. Whenever I say, guys, a raised to the power b is equals to b raised to the power a. Guys, there can be infinite possibility to make it happen. But one of the possibilities, guys, if a is equals to b, then only this can happen. For example, I am saying, guys, a raised to the power b is equals to b raised to the power a. Guys, if I say, let's assume a is equals to b and everything is equals to 3 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3, 27 is equals to 27. So, guys, whenever I give you this situation, you always assume that a is equals to b and everything is equals to some particular number. For example, in this question, they are saying, guys, a raised to the power b is equals to b raised to the power a. From here, I conclude it means, guys, for me, a is equals to b. Now let's assume everything is equals to 2. Guys, they are asking this big question. Don't hustle, guys. Just put everything a b, put everything equals to 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2 minus 2 raised to the power 2 upon 2 minus 1. This will cancel, this will cancel. 1 raised to the power 1 will be 1, guys. 1 minus 1 here, 1 minus 1 will be, guys, 0. 2 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is also 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So, guys, the correct answer is option C. So, guys, the correct answer is option C. This is also, guys, 0. Guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you, guys? Can I move forward? Guys, can I move forward? Now, guys, we are almost done with this chapter. But, guys, now we have to start with this. Guys, I request all of you, this 3 questions are, guys, deciding factor how to deal with this kind of questions. Now, guys, very important, superb important, guys. Are you all here, guys? Now wait. Now, guys, now please pay attention. In morning, guys, only in the last session of the ratio proportion, I told you about the K concept, and I told you the reason behind the K concept. When our question says something is equal to something is equal to something, whenever the question says something is equal to something is equal to something, I know everything is equal, but exactly what they are equals to I don't know. So I will assume them equals to K. Dinesh, try to attend, guys. Don't miss the gold revision, guys, because I'm for me, guys, it's the same. I'm trying to make you cover as much as content I can. Guys, assume everything equals to K. Guys, assume everything equals to K. So that, guys, what is the motive of making everything equals to K? My motive of making everything equals to K is to get the value of all the variables in the form of K. To get the value of all the variables in the form of K. My motive to assume everything K is to get the value of all the variables in the form of K. Sir, now look at this question, guys. Superb question, guys. Now, please, guys, wait. I have to explain you this detailed chart, guys. Now, see, many times, guys, students just focus on the type 1. We will deal with the type 1, but no one try to focus on the type 2. Something is equal to something is equal to something. Still, guys, there is one type which is very complicated, and, guys, I'm going to teach you that in next 10-20 minutes, guys. Are you all here, guys? Okay, Dinesh, I will inform the management to, guys, share the links to all of you. No one miss the session. That is important. Next 2-3 days, guys, we are going to revise big chapter. We are done with the mathematics of finance. As I informed, I will be uploading sequence and series, permutation, combination, equations in the YouTube only, guys. And now, guys, we are dealing with the ratio, proportion, indices. All these things will be also available soon. Don't worry. Okay. If we are unable to attend, okay, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'll make sure that things are properly communicated to you on time or before time. Nothing will be missed, because this is a very crucial time. I will ask with them. Now, guys, please pay attention. Question number 17. Guys, question number 17. Guys, 2 raised to the power x is equals to, guys, 2 raised to the power x is equals to, guys, 4 raised to the power y is equals to 8 raised to the power z. They are asking us, guys, they are asking value of 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 4y plus 1 upon 6z is equals to, they have given 24 upon 7. Guys, they are asking the value of z. Either they ask the value of z, we must be capable enough to get the value of x, y, and z, everything. Guys, this is a type 1 question. Sir, why you are naming this question as a type 1 question? Guys, if we can make the base same, guys, if we can make the base same so that the powers become equal, now it is very easy to get the value of all the variables in the form of K. Now let me explain this, guys. Now let me explain this, guys. Now please, sir, can you make the base same? Yes, sir. This is 2 raised to the power x, 2 raised to the power 2. Already there is power y, so powers will multiply. 8, can I say 2 raised to the power 3? Already there is power z. So, guys, this will be 2 raised to the power 3z. Correct? Now, if the base are same, powers must be same. Now guys, you can say something is equal to something is equal to something. Let's assume everything is equals to k. Guys, when you will make x is equals to k, you will get x is equals to k. When you say 2y is equals to k, you get y is equals to k by 2. Now you say guys 3z is equals to k, you say get k by 3. Now you have value of x, y, z, everything in the form of k. Now guys, now you can put the value of x, y, z, get the value of k. Once you have the get the value of k, put the value of k, you can get the value of x, y, and z. Let's try to get the value of k. Sir, 1 upon, in the place of x guys, 2k plus 1 upon guys, k by 2, 4 into k by 2 plus 1 upon 6 into guys, k by 3, 24 by 7. Guys, let's solve. 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6. 1 upon 2k plus 1 upon 2k plus 1 upon 2k is equals to 24 upon 7. Let's take the LCM. 3 guys. Let's get the value of k guys. How? Cross multiply 3 into 7 upon guys 2 into 24 is equals to k. So guys, k will be, don't cancel anything guys. 7 3 are 21 guys upon 24 into 2 guys 48 guys, 24 into 2 guys 48. Sir, now you have the value of k, but they are asking the value of z. What is z guys? Z is k by 3. K by 3. Guys, this is 21 upon 48. Multiply by 3 is also there. So guys, 21 divided by 48 into 3 guys, 144. 144. Guys, you can cancel it guys. 3 7 are 21 guys here. You can cancel from there only guys, and you will get guys 7 upon 48. 7 upon 48. Guys, option C is the right answer. See guys, I am writing each and every step. I am writing each and every step. That's why it sounds a little lengthy. But it is not a lengthy process guys. It's just a process of understanding. Yes guys, please understand. Guys, but see, please understand. See guys, if the base guys, this is type 1 question. Guys, if you can make the base same, it is a very easy question. Once you make the base same, powers automatically become equal. Now you have the value of x, y, z, everything in the form of k. This is a easy question. Sir, this is a easy question. Any doubt on this guys? Any doubt on this? Guys, any doubt on question number 17? Can I move forward? Now guys, look at this question. Now look at question number 19. Guys, now look at question number 19. Now here guys, the difference will be created. Question is same, still the method will change. Here what I am saying, 2 raised to the power x is equals to 3 raised to the power y is equals to 6 raised to the power minus z. Find the value of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z. Guys, find the value of this. Now guys, here also you can you make the base same? Guys, same thing guys, we need to, something is equal to something is equal to something. But why this is not type 1 question? Why this is not type 1 question? Because here you cannot make the base same. Because here you cannot make the base same. Am I right or wrong guys? Can you make the same guys? Can you make the base 2? Can you make the base 3? Yes or no guys? You cannot make the base same. So type 2 question. Type 2, we cannot make the base same. So now what to do? If we can make the base same, power will be compared, powers will be equal. Now we can get the value of x, y, z in the form of k. Sir, this is very easy category. Sir, this is very easy category. Entire India will solve. Institute knows this. The twist comes in the type 2. What will happen, Aman sir, if we cannot make the base same? What will happen if we cannot make the base same? Now guys, here we have two approach. Approach number 1 and guys, approach number 2. I will deal with the approach number 1. Don't worry guys. Now look at the approach number 2. Use any two numbers. Guys, please read with me. Use any two numbers to form the third number. Sir, what? Use any two number. But in this question, with the help of two number, can you create any third number guys? Help me out. With the help of guys two numbers, can you create the third number? With the use of two numbers, can you create the third number? Yes or no guys? With the help of two numbers, can you create the third number? Yes. Yes sir. How sir? Sir, we can say 6 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. Now guys, now. I am not waiting guys. Here I can say, sir, Here I can say 6 is equals to 2 into 3. Now I am not looking for x, y, z. I am looking for the value of 6, 2 and 3. As something is equal to something is equal to something, assume k. Now don't wait to make the base same, because you cannot make the base same. It means 2 raised to the power x is equals to k, 3 raised to the power y is equals to k, 6 raised to the power minus z is equals to k. I want value of 6, 2 and 3. Sir, I want only 2. What power should I take both the side? So this x will be eliminated. Take reciprocal power. Take power. Taking power 1 by x both the sides. Guys, if you take power 1 by x both the side, guys, 2 will be remain 2. X into 1 by x will cancel. K raised to the power 1 by x. Taking power 1 by y both the side will give you 3 is equals to k raised to the power 1 by y. Taking power minus 1 upon z will give you guys minus 1 upon z will give you guys 6 is equals to k raised to the power minus 1 upon z. Guys, now I am having the value of 2, 3 and 6 in the form of k. Now let's put it over here. In the place of 6, guys, k raised to the power minus 1 upon z. In the place of 2, guys, k raised to the power 1 upon x. In the place of 3, guys, k raised to the power 1 upon y. K raised to the power 1 upon z. If the base are same, power will add. Power will add. Guys, now here from the comparison technique, I can say if the base are same, then the power must be same. I am asking the value of 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Guys, here it should be minus 1 upon z, I think. Just a second. Plus. So sorry, guys. So sorry, guys. Here the power was minus. Power was minus. So this power minus power will go with the plus 1 upon z and everything will be equals to 0. So guys, this will be equals to 0. Guys, so here comes the type 2, guys. Type 1, if you can make the base same, question is easy. But if you cannot make the base same, use any two numbers, guys. Use any two numbers to make the third number. Guys, shall I take one more question on this, guys? Should I take in one more question on the approach number 2? Guys, one more question. Can we have one more question on the approach 2? Yes. Let's think, guys. Wait. This question was very easy, guys. Now, guys, don't worry, guys. I am giving you properly bifurcated everything, guys. Now, see. Now, two questions on the same thing, guys. This you can take as a homework. Guys, here a base you cannot make the same. Use any two numbers to form the third number. 3 into 5 into 3, guys, will give you 75. So, this is your homework, guys. I'll explain 20. I will explain, guys, question number 20. Guys, 5.678. 5.678 raised to the power x is equals to 0.5678 raised to the power y is equals to 10 raised to the power z. Then, guys, question is demanding some equations. Let's check down. Guys, we cannot make the base same. Everyone knows we cannot make the base. Something is equal to something is equal to something, but still we cannot make the base same. I will use any two numbers. If I multiply this by 10, I will get this, guys. What I can say, 5.678. Guys, 5.678. This is equals to 0.5678 multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. I use the two numbers to form the third number. Now, guys, I am not waiting for the value of x, y, z. Now I need the value of 5.678. Let's assume everything is equals to k. 5.678 is equals raised to the power x is equals to k. Guys, now you can tell me directly what will be 5.678. Sir, this will be taking reciprocal power. Taking power 1 by x both the side will give you. This will be, guys, k raised to the power 1 upon x. Guys, this will be, guys, k raised to the power 1 upon y. And guys, this will be k raised to the power 1 upon z. After a good amount of practice, guys, you should directly write over here. Don't waste this step, guys. This was just for the understanding. But once you understand, guys, you can directly say this now. Now see, guys, k raised to the power 1 upon x. Here, guys, base are same. Power will add. Comparison technique, guys. K are same, then the power must be same. Base are same, then the power must be same. Bring everything on the one side. 1 upon x minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z. This will be equals to 0. So guys, this will be equals to 0. 1 upon x minus 1 upon y minus 1 upon z. Everything will be minus. Guys, option B is the right answer. Guys, now tell me, guys, is this point clear to all of you? Guys, is this point clear to all of you, guys? Is this point clear to all of you? Yes, sir. Guys, I have left one question for you guys. I have left one question. You cannot make the base same. You cannot make the base same. 3 into 5 will give you 75. Get the value of a 3, 5 and 75 in the form of k raised to the power 1 upon a, 1 upon b, 1 upon c. Done. Done. Easy question. Guys, now you must be thinking when to think about this and when to think about this. If you can make the base same, easy question. Sir, if you cannot make the base same, use any two numbers to make the third number. I will do it. Saranya, I will do it. Promise I will do it. Okay. Sir, we need the answer for this one. Guys, I'm giving it, showing the board view. You can write down. Guys, if anyone wants to write down. Guys, done with writing? Guys, done? Everybody, guys, done? Guys, here if you want to write, guys, I can say 0.5678 raised to the power y will be k, but I want only 0.5678. So I will say taking power 1 by 5 both the side. Same way, guys, 10 raised to the power z is equals to k. Taking power 1 upon z both the side. Guys, that's all. Guys, is this point clear? Can I move forward? Now, guys, one question, guys, one question more and one last category. These are only 3 variations. We have covered all the 3 variations in detail. Guys, trust me, if you will compare this particular chart, okay, and if you compare this 1.12 or 1 hour 20 minutes or something session with your regular batch, you will find everything I have taught little bit fast, because we are preparing for your exam and you're looking for the less duration, more coverage videos. So this is a video, guys, where in a very less time we have covered everything. So guys, trust me, I have designed very beautifully, and after a huge amount of time, one each and every chart is designed. It's not like randomly dumping of the question. Properly designed with proper time, guys. Now let's have one category, guys. See, a raised to the power x is b, guys. B raised to the power y is equals to c, guys. Then c raised to the power z is equals to a. Find the value of, guys, x into y into z. Guys, now please pay attention, guys. Here you have the 2 approach, guys. Sometimes, guys, for one approach, guys, I can say if a raised to the power b is equals to, guys, something is like this. Still, guys, wait. I will tell you some another approach. I will tell you one correct approach. Guys, see, if a raised to the power x is equals to b, then you can say x will be equals to log b upon log a. How I reach at this point, I will explain once. Guys, this is indices. This is indices. Let's convert into log. Log, base is written over here, value is written over here, and x will be like this. And guys, power comes as a output. By applying the base changing theorem, you can say log b divided by log a. But guys, now I don't want you to go with these 2 steps in exam again and again. So guys, don't waste your time in going through these 2 steps. Even if you know the logarithm, you can simply say, guys, x will be equals to log b divided by log a. Guys, if you need to calculate the power x will be, guys, log b divided by log a. And you know, whenever we need to calculate the power, we are bound to follow the chapter logarithm. Logarithm is designed to calculate the power only. Now guys, look at this question. What is x? Sir, x will be log b divided by log a. What will be guys y? Y will be guys log c divided by log b. What will be z guys? Log a divided by log c. Let's put it over here. X value is log b upon log a. Multiply guys log c upon log b. Multiply by guys log a upon log c. Log b will cancel. Log a will cancel. Log c will cancel. Answer will be 1. Guys, answer will be 1. So guys, this is guys my last variation. Guys, it is not something is equal to something is equal to something. There is a connecting linkage between something. So guys, in that case, you need x, y, z, directly use the log. Log b upon log a, log c upon log b, log a upon log c. Put wherever you want to put. You will definitely get the answer. Guys, if you want to write, you can write this, guys. Guys, take the picture of this note. Guys, if you want, you can take the picture of this note. Guys, one by one, I will show you. You can take the picture of this note, guys. Guys, don't follow these notations with the chart book. This is as per the regular batch. These are the questions as per the regular question bank, not as per the chart book. Guys, done. 3, 2, 1, go. And guys, you can write this one, guys. You can write this one. Guys, here I say, guys, here I conclude the chapter indices. Trust me, guys, in just 1 hour, we have superb rapidly covered the chapter indices. It's not like that I have not taught you anything. I have taught you everything, but in not but a little bit fast. It was very fast, definitely very fast, because we are at that verge of time where we need the coverage. We need from start to end everything, but we need all the variations. So this is a video, this charts, this notes I have designed for this particular date only. Okay, guys. So guys, that's the end for the day. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.